What's up, everybody? Mike from the Credit Game here. We're going to show you how to fix your credit in 30, 60 to 90 days with the Lamborghini package and the Maserati package. I'm kidding. But did you know that Mike has a son who does the same clap at the beginning of his videos? Just watch this short clip.
What's up, guys? Good morning, late morning I should say. And today's video is going to be about extra effort.
What's going on, everybody? So I had to make this video in my truck because I'm actually out of town right now. But I just wanted to talk about the scammer. I know some of you are tired of hearing about it, but I made my mind up the other day. If he makes a mistake, says something stupid or lies, I'm gonna talk about it. So he's definitely not the only scammer that feels this way, but as you can see from this screenshot, he thinks we're all haters. We're not hating on you, dude, at all. In fact, there's nothing to hate on. We're trying to warn others about your scam. You, Pinnacle Credit, Andre, whatever you go by. You claim that people shouldn't work with people that don't worry about their health. People's health has nothing to do with them fixing your credit. If I started working out again and eating right, and I stopped eating George's best fried chicken, and it is the best, by the way, it's not gonna make me better at fixing people's credit. What makes me so good at fixing people's credit is up here. It's right here. Something you don't have, and that's why you scam people. You also claim that people love your content. Well, let's see what Amanda had to say about your content. I don't understand why you think you can just brag about all the stuff you have that you don't actually have. You don't benefit from anything. People that see flashy people that supposedly have $1 million in the bank, supposedly have $1 million apartments, they don't want to sign up with those type of people because one, they know they're charging way too much, and two, there's a very good chance they're scamming people. Now, back to the Google and the LinkedIn thing, you keep bringing that up. If Google and LinkedIn was so important, why do I have such a good business? Why do I have so many clients if that's important? I mean, really, can you answer that? You won't comment on my videos. I comment on your stuff sometimes just because I know you're going to delete it. I don't delete comments. The only time I delete comments is if somebody's cussing or posting pornography, because I will not allow that on my channel. And last but not least, why would anybody take credit advice or supplement advice from a crackhead? And no, I'm not trying to be funny. Like, seriously, why are you recommending hydroxycut? Better yet, why the hell are you taking hydroxycut? Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Sunday.